Dear students, good morning. Now we can change the section. Section अभी तक फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री के कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स, फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री इन डिटेल आपके सामने हो रहा था. Now we are changing the section, that is organic chemistry. Very easy part. But you don't know the basic of this organic chemistry. We cannot solve any type of chemical reactions. In this organic chemistry, you must understand the first point is the basic part. Basic of organic chemistry. आप 10th standard से सीख रहे हो. Second, structure of compound. Third, chemical reactions. And the fourth, mechanism. How these chemical reactions takes place. Mechanism. So many steps are there. So many steps, so many definitions, so many properties related with organic compound. एकदम जमीन से स्टार्ट करेंगे. We will start from bottom of the chemistry, bottom of the organic part. मुझे नहीं चाहिए, मुझे नहीं आता, वो भी बोलने वाला सिंपली ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री के रिएक्शंस अपने आप लिखते जाएगा. ये जो सिंपल पार्ट है, इन दिस सिंपल पार्ट बेसिक ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री मीन्स स्टडी ऑफ कार्बन कंपाउंड्स. ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में the carbon is very important. Study of carbon compound. And this carbon forms an attraction force, that is covalent bond. Carbon forms covalent bond with other. Covalent bond, the bond which is formed by sharing of pair of electron. Sharing of pair of electron. One electron from this carbon, one electron from this hydrogen. It gives a pair of electron. It is a covalent bond. When they share with each other, covalent bond is formed. Organic chemistry always forms bonds with carbon hydrogen, bond with carbon oxygen, bond with carbon sulfur, bond with carbon and carbon. Means in this, covalent bonds are very important. All the bonds are covalent. What about inorganic chemistry? Inorganic chemistry consists of ionic bond, number of compounds in a chemical reaction. Suppose NH4Cl, NH4 positive, Cl negative. It is formed by NH4OH plus HCl. Ions are developed, NH4 plus OH minus, breaking of this ionic bond, formation of ions, positive and negative charges get developed, and by positive and negative charges they combine with each other, and this reaction in inorganic chemistry occur rapidly, quickly. Means inorganic chemical reactions are quick reactions. Suppose neutralization is the main part of the reaction, NaOH plus hydrochloric acid, which gives this Na plus and Cl minus combined with each other, which gives NaCl, and H plus and OH minus reacts with each other, gives H2O. It is a quick reaction, breaking of ionic bond. One type of bond breaking takes place toward this side. You know that the basic term for chemistry. One type of bond breaking takes place toward this side, another type of bond which is formed toward that side. This ionic bond formation, or by taking help with respect to ionic bond formation, inorganic chemical reactions are taking place. But in organic compound, covalent bonds are there, and carbon is the main hero. Carbon is the main part. Organic compound has a unique property. After this point, breaking of ionic bond, quick reaction, breaking of covalent bond, slow reaction. Organic reactions, organic compound react with each other. This reaction becomes slow. Means the chemical reaction is the main part of the organic chemistry. And in inorganic chemistry, ionic reactions occur rapidly. In organic reaction, organic compound, covalent bonds are there. Generally carbon is the main hero. Carbon attaches with another carbon, another hydrogen, another sulfur, another oxygen, etc. There is a special property of organic compound. Organic compound has particular special property. कोणती प्रॉपर्टी स्पेशल आहे? ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड आइसोमेरिझम दाखवते. आइसोमेरिझम इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट मध्ये व्हॉट इज आयसोमेरिझम, व्हॉट आर टाइप्स ऑफ आयसोमेरिझम पुढे. पण आज तर सुरुवात करतो आपण काय शिकायचं त्याची प्लॅनिंग. आयसोमेरिझम ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड मध्ये स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी आयसोमेरिझम आहे. युनिक प्रॉपर्टी आहे. दुसरी प्रॉपर्टी आहे कॅटेनेशन. Isomerism, catenation property. Isomerism means the molecular formula is same but structural formula is different. Same molecular formula, different structural formula. Molecular formula same असते आणि दोन वेगवेगळे फंक्शन ग्रुप घेऊन किंवा दोन वेगवेगळे स्ट्रक्चर घेऊन वेगळा कंपाउंड तयार होतो. नाव बदलतं त्याचं बिलकुल. CH3 बॉन्ड CH3 बॉन्ड CH2 बॉन्ड CH2 बॉन्ड CH3. कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड कार्बन. ते 3 बॉन्ड आहेत कार्बनला, 3 बॉन्ड आहेत कार्बनला आणि मध्ये एक 4. Each and every carbon associated with 4 bonds because carbon has tetravalent nature. This property to connect with other continue chain, long chain identical atoms. Long chain identical atom which is to be formed by carbon with respect to this hydrogen or any type of elements you are taking this type of catenation property. If such type of structure changes to 1 2 3 4, it is 1 CH3 bond CH bond CH3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, the branch of CH3, the middle part, the structure of this and this changes. 3 and 3 6 and 3 9 and 10, 3 आणि 3 6 आणि 4 10 हायड्रोजन 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 कार्बन. But structure is different. Functional group is different. Chain is different. Different types of isomerisms are possible. Isomers. Same molecular formula but different structural formula. The phenomenon is known as isomerism. The long chain identical atom formation is a catenation. Different structure formation, different chain formation, different group formation, isomerism. Catenation, isomerism, these are the special property of organic compound. Why this only carbon and carbon gives catenation, very stable catenation is formed. Catenation के लिए carbon gives a perfect tendency to form single bond or double bond or chain, formation of a chain. Tendency of catenation of carbon is greater. Tendency of catenation of carbon is greater because the CC bond energy which stabilizes, so जकड़ के रखेगा उसको, CC bond energy larger. CC bond energy larger. कार्बन के जैसा सिलिकॉन भी होगा मगर कार्बन ही has greater catenation tendency because carbon when connect with each other, bond strength is greater, bond energy is greater. When the carbon and carbon forms, it releases large amount of energy. In another word, for breaking of this carbon and carbon, more amount of energy is required. So, अपने को क्वेश्चन अगर आ गया कि catenation property shown by only CC. What about silicon? What about sulfur? Silicon and sulfur has equal tendency, near about equal bond energy. Catenation tendency is somewhat equal. Then sulfur greater having phosphorus, greater having nitrogen, greater having oxygen. It is an order बार किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में आपको catenation tendency decreases, catenation tendency increases, catenation tendency decreases. इसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं काशी बराबर स्नो. सपनों काशी बराबर सपनों काशी बराबर सपनों कार्बन सिलिकॉन SPNO. It is decrease in the catenation order. Tendency of catenation decreases. एक क्वेश्चन भी आ गया ना तो अपने आप ध्यान में आएगा. Catenation part is an important part of carbon. We are approaching towards organic compound, organic chemistry part. Before start to study, this CC bond energy approximately equal to CC bond energy approximately equal to CC bond energy approximately equal to CH bond. near about CO, CS approximately equal to the equal CH, CS, CN, CCl. This CC bond energy approximately equal to CCl. By combination of these, they gives a particular structure. CH, EH. Every carbon surrounded by 4 different elements, same elements, and development of this compound. Larger structure which is to be formed. Catenation, isomerism, and with respect to bond energy, how covalent bond is formed, and this covalent bond. The next part for our next video is how carbon is in tetrahedral nature. How this carbon forms tetrahedral nature and what is the structure of carbon, we go towards next video. The satisfaction of valency, symmetrical arrangement of atoms, how carbon goes to excited state and how sp3, sp2, sp hybrid orbitals are formed. What is the bond angle between HC, H? How many organic compounds are there? How they are classified? What is the classification of organic compound? How carbon-carbon gives double bond? How carbon-carbon gives triple bond? How carbon-carbon gives single bond? How this octet of carbon get completed? A pura matter in the next video. It is organic section, organic chemistry starts now. Hello, 11, 12 इन टाइप ऑफ क्लास स्टूडेंट्स जमीन के लेवल से ऊपर आएंगे. हर एक ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री का एक एक टाइप, उसका मैकेनिज्म, उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन और भांगे पर बने. थैंक यू.